So x bar, this is equal to summation ai xi divided by the summation of the area. Okay. So we know the value of x bar, that is equal to 0. Okay. So by using this equation, we will find out the required distance d for the center of that circle or center of the hole with respect to the y-axis. So as the given geometry, that is the given metal piece, it is not the standard geometrical shape. So we need to divide the given object into non-geometrical shapes. So we can first consider this small right angle triangle. Okay, so this is the area 1. The next is the rectangle. So this is the rectangle. So this rectangle, it will have the dimension 400 by 30. Okay. Then we will consider this rectangle having the dimension 200. So this is equal to 50. So total will be 180. So this is rectangle. So this is rectangle 2 having the dimension 200 by 180. Okay. And last will be this circle. So required geometry. So rectangle 1. So this rectangle 1, it has the dimension. So this is 400 and this is equal to 30 plus the rectangle 2. So rectangle 2, it has a dimension 200 by 180. So this is 200 and this is 180. Then next geometry. So from these two geometries, we will subtract the remaining two geometries. So in that we have the right angle triangle. So the right angle triangle, its height is 130 and its base is 200 minus 120, that is 80. And subtract the circle. And for this circle, its diameter is given, that is equal to 50. So this is 550. Okay. So from this, we will get the required geometry, that is the given shape of the metal piece. Okay. So now prepare the table and only find out the x coordinate. So first area, it is the rectangle. Its area is 400 by 30. So this is 12,000 millimeter square. Its x coordinate, so distance with respect to the y axis. So you can observe here. So this is the rectangle 1. So this is geometrical center, that is the centroid for the rectangle 1, that is a G1. Okay. We are only interested in the x coordinate. So measure this distance with respect to the y-axis. So this is the x coordinate. So if you observe this total length, it is a 400. So this x coordinate will be at 200 distance, and it is on the negative x side. So xi for the first area, this is minus 200. Okay. Then consider the second rectangle. So this is rectangle 2. So for the rectangle 2, its dimension is 200 by 180. So this is 36,000 millimeters square. So for the rectangle 2, find out the x coordinate. So I will draw this separate figure. So this is x and y axis. And this is the location of the rectangle 2. It is in the first quadrant. This is center of gravity. So this is G2. And this is the x coordinate. So this distance is given, that is equal to 200. So x coordinate will be at 100 mm distance with respect to the y axis. So this is plus 100. Then next geometry. So this is right angle triangle. So we will subtract this. So we have to consider the area negative. So it is minus 1 by 2. Its base is 8 centimeter or 80 mm. So this is 1 by 2, 80 into height is 130. Okay. So get this value. Now for this right angle triangle, we have to locate the center of gravity. So this is the position of the right angle triangle. This is the origin. So we know the position of the centroid for the right angle triangle from this 90 degree. So this is the position. So this distance from the 90 degree angle, this is equal to b by 3. So base is 80 centimeter. Okay. So this will be at 80 by 3, or from the second corner, this is equal to 2b upon 3. So this is 2 into 80 divided by 3. Okay. So we want this distance from the y-axis. So we have to find out this total distance. So this is the x coordinate. Okay. So this x coordinate, this is equal to, this distance is 120. So it is 120 plus 2 into 80 divided by 3. Okay. So this value is equal to, so this is 173.33. So this is the x coordinate for the right angle triangle. And the last geometry, it is the circle. And again, this area is negative because we will subtract that geometry. So it is pi r square. And r is 25 centimeter because diameter is given as a 50 centimeter. Sorry, 50 mm. Now for that circle, this is the distance which is to be determined. So the distance is d distance. So put the value d as it is, which is the unknown value. Okay. And now find out this product, AIXI. Okay, so by referring the last column, that is the AI xi, take the addition. So summation AI xi, this is equal to then write summation of the area. So refer the first column. And now use the formula for x bar. This is equal to summation AI xi divided by the summation of the area. Okay. So x bar value is known, that is equal to 0. So put the value of summation AI xi. So this is 5098684 minus 1963.49D and divided by 40836.5. So this is equal to 0. And solve this equation and get the value of D. Okay, so please check the last column, the calculation. So you will get the summation AI xi. This is equal to, it is 298684 minus 1963.49D. Okay. And from this, get the value of D. So D is equal to 152.1 millimeter.